Hi everyone, so today I will be showing you how to use your grid array function in Lightburn. So to start off, I will import an image and just trace it. I'm first going to resize my image. I'm using threshold to just make sure that I don't have any unwanted lines in my design. And then when it's done, pressing OK. So to use your grid array, you will have to select your graphic and then go to the left-hand tools panel and select the icon with the 6 little blocks. Now that you have your Create Grid Array tab open, you will use the X and the Y, X columns and the Y rows. So for the Y rows, if I select 3, there will be 3 graphics next to each other. And when I select my Y row and I select 5, there will be 5 graphics stacked on top of each other on the X columns. So basically what your grid array does is it just lets you create 3 by 5 rows of one image instead of copying and pasting all your images one by one. So able to do that in just one tap and no need to do 100 or 50 items by copying and pasting. When you are done, you can just press OK and you will then be able to continue creating your design.